The U.S. Department of Agriculture predicts egg prices could go up another 20% this year.
The bird flu is partly to blame. To help prevent that, the agency is scrambling to control it. In the meantime, 2 on Sano's Ben Briscoe learned there are still new cases popping up in our state.
As the price of a dozen eggs cracks above $6 at most Triad grocery stores and past $8 in some places, the North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission confirms new cases of bird flu in our state. Preliminary test results just showed an owl in Wake County had the virus. And on Tuesday, a dead bird in Henderson County out west tested positive. This after a commercial poultry farm in Hyde County reported the virus last month. More bird flu cases mean more supply chain issues, and the price of eggs for your refrigerator will keep going up. But a group of bipartisan senators, including Tom Tillis and Ted Budd, just sent this letter to the USDA with ideas to cool off the problem. We support measures that have been proposed to you by egg and turkey farmers, the senators write, including an aggressive forward-looking strategy for vaccination of birds. The letter also says new audits designed to protect farm animals from the virus aren't happening regularly because, quote, nearly no auditors have been trained to complete these audits. This comes as the U.S. Department of Agriculture said this week President Donald Trump's administration accidentally fired some veterinarians and animal health technicians working to prevent the spread of the bird flu. The agency says it's working to swiftly rectify the situation and rescind dismissal letters, but Democrats are criticizing the move.
These are really important jobs to the current system, and the current system has to keep functioning.
At the same time, the president's Republican director of the National Economic Council told Face the Nation this weekend they're working on a plan.
President Biden didn't really have a plan for avian flu. Well, Brooke Rollins and I have been working with all the best people in government, including academics around the country and around the world, to have a plan ready for the president next week on what we're going to do with avian flu.
So making all of this harder to tackle, the bird flu is spreading to other animals. Today, for the first time, the USDA says the bird flu has been detected in some rats. It's also been found in a fox, a bobcat, a house cat. I reached out to the USDA to find out more about their plan to stop the virus. I'm waiting to hear back.